How to make blueberry muffin bread. This blueberry muffin bread is tender and soft, just like muffins, and is bursting with blueberries. Ingredients: batter, half a cup, 8 tablespoons, unsalted butter softened to room temperature, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup, 4 ounces, buttermilk. See note for homemade. Blueberries, 2 cups blueberries fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, streusel topping, 1/4 cup brown sugar packed, half a cup chopped walnut pieces or pecans, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1½ tablespoons unsalted butter melted. Streusel ingredient notes. 1. Brown sugar. The molasses in brown sugar brings a welcome warmth to streusels. Either light or dark brown sugar works. 2. Walnuts. Nuts provide excellent crunch to sweet toppings. Raw is my preference as this bread has quite a long bake time and you don't want them to get too toasty if using pre-toasted. Walnuts work great here, as do pecans. If you'd rather have a topping without nuts, 1 batch of crumb topping will deliciously do the trick. Instructions. 1. Cream together the softened butter and sugar. This is done by mixing on medium speed for 1 to 2 minutes, or until it forms a cohesive, light and fluffed up mixture. 2. Add the eggs, vanilla extract, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. 3. Mix well, stopping to scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. The batter will look a bit heavy and liquid-y, but that's okay. 4. On low speed, add half of the flour. Once it is just mixed in, add half of the buttermilk. Repeat for the second half of the flour and buttermilk, taking care not to overmix the batter. 5. Toss blueberries with a small bit of flour to coat, then add them to the batter. 6. Using a wooden spoon or spatula, not an electric mixer, gently fold the blueberries into the batter until just evenly mixed throughout. Take big sweeping passes along the bottom of the bowl to make quicker work of this step. 7. Grease only the bottom and halfway up the sides of a 9-inch by 5-inch loaf pan. Not greasing the top half of the sides gives the batter something to cling to as it rises and leads to a taller loaf. 8. Stir together streusel ingredients and sprinkle over top of the loaf in pan. 9. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 65 to 75 minutes, or until a tester inserted in the tallest part comes out clean. Let this blueberry muffin bread cool completely before slicing, serving, and storing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.